Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Far away in the South Pacific Ocean, there is a place so remote, so lonely that no humans live anywhere near it. It's called Point Nemo, and it may be the most dangerous, isolated place in the entire ocean. But what exactly is Point Nemo? And why the scientists and space agencies around the world care so much about it? In 1992, a Croatian survey engineer named Harvey Lokotela used special computer calculations to find the ocean point that is the farthest from any land. The point became known as Point Nemo. The name Nemo comes from a character in the novel 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea by Jules Verne. But interestingly, Nemo in Latin means nobody, a fitting name because there is truly nobody around. The nearest land to Point Nemo is more than 2,688 kilometers away. That's so far that astronauts aboard the International Space Station are usually closer to Point Nemo than anyone on Earth. There is no radio signal there, no ships, no flights, not even animals live near the surface. It's as if nature has chosen to leave it untouched. But why is it dangerous? Point Nemo is located in a violent part of the ocean, where cold Antarctic water crash into warm tropical currents. This creates huge storms, powerful whirlpools, and waves over 15 meters high. This area is part of the South Pacific Gyre, a rotating system of ocean currents that traps debris and keeps the waters lifeless. Sailors throughout history feared this part of the ocean, and today it's still considered nearly impossible to navigate. But there is more. Point Nemo is not just lonely and dangerous, it's also the world's spacecraft graveyard. Since the 1970s, space agencies like NASA, Roscosmos, and the European Space Agency have been dropping decommissioned satellites and spacecraft into the ocean, right near Point Nemo. More than 260 space objects have been sent to their final rest here, including the famous Russian space station Mir, which crashed here in 2001. Why this spot? Because it's so remote that falling metal debris won't hurt anyone. There's no people and barely any life. In 1997, something strange happened near Point Nemo. Underwater microphones recorded a loud, deep sound unlike anything heard before. Scientists call it the Bloop. At first, people thought it could be a huge sea creature, something unknown, something terrifying. Later, scientists say it might be the sound of iceberg cracking in Antarctica. But some still believe it was something else. Why was it heard exactly near Point Nemo? The mystery remains. No human was ever visited Point Nemo by boat or submarine. It's too far, too rough. Even satellite data is hard to collect in that region. To scientists, Point Nemo is like an oceanic black hole, a forgotten corner of Earth, almost invisible to our technology. It may be the last truly untouched place on the planet. In a world where maps cover every inch of land, Point Nemo reminds us that mystery still exists. A place with no people, no lights, no stories, except the one we imagine. Maybe it's better that way. Maybe Point Nemo should remain alone. Point Nemo, the place where nobody lives. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.